a page in Notion for added security and organization in just a few simple steps. Locking a page in Notion is an incredibly useful way to ensure that your content stays exactly how you want it, preventing any accidental edits or changes. It's especially handy if you're working on a collaborative project where you want certain information or layouts to remain unchanged. Let's dive into the process. To begin, open Notion in your web browser. Feel free to use any browser of your choice, as Notion supports all major ones like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Once you're logged in, navigate to the page you intend to lock. It's crucial to ensure this is the correct page you want static, as this procedure will restrict alterations until you unlock it again. The page you select can be a personal journal, a project dashboard, or a shared team note, whatever you're currently working on that needs to be safeguarded. Now that you're on the desired page, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You should see a small icon with 3 dots arranged in a vertical line, commonly referred to as the More Options menu or ellipsis. Clicking on these 3 dots opens up a variety of context-specific settings and functions for your page. This menu is a helpful tool, offering quick access to several customization features, so getting familiar with it can be quite beneficial. Once you have the menu open, look for an option labeled Lock Page. It might not be immediately visible at the top of the list, so you might have to scroll slightly depending on your browser's zoom settings or the number of enabled features in your Notion setup. This lock feature essentially serves as a safeguard, ensuring the content integrity by blocking both intended and accidental modifications until you decide to unlock it. With a toggle flip to enable the lock, your Notion page is now secure. When you try to make any edits, you'll notice the interface restricts these actions, clearly reminding you that the page is locked. This lock status is a fantastic way to maintain the presentational harmony of your important documents and shields the page from unintended disruptions, particularly within shared workspaces. If at any point you decide changes need to be made again, simply revisit the same menu and switch the lock off. This will restore full editing capabilities. As you get comfortable with this feature, you may find it an excellent addition to your workflow, helping streamline and protect your digital workspace. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to lock a page in Notion. This small but powerful feature can make a big difference in maintaining a neat, uninterrupted workspace. Until next time, happy organizing.